cutting room floor, I think. Hi, welcome back. Just a quick video today. I'm going to keep it short. It's a boosted rev, weight test, range test if you like, mode 1, and a guy who's 260 pounds ish. I'm not going to give you my exact weight, but there you go. I'm at the absolute max. A lot of people have been asking for this, so we're going to get out, take the cameras. I'm not going to use the boosted sort of gauge. I'm going to use like a GPS app potentially, and I'll get an estimate of exactly to the best thing. As you've seen in my mode 2 video, which I'll link in the description below, yeah, the mileage was a bit off. So with this one, we'll go straight into it. See you there. Okay, time to unload the scooter. Guess what? Helmet, high vis. I don't know if I'm going to bother with a high vis today, but at least I've got a helmet today. Right, so we'll unpack the scooter and we'll get going. That's lights. Okay, so we're on mode 1. Detecting vehicle. Don't know if you can see all this, guys. Make sure your vehicle is on. Yeah, it's on and it's crashed. Okay, connecting. Right, so it's 100%. What I'm going to do is go to ride. I'm going to record ride. Record now. Poor GPS signal, but hey ho. It's going to record anyway. Okay, saying I'm doing 3 miles an hour, bargain. So that's going to go in my pocket. We're on mode 1. Helmet, safety first, guys. Don't forget, always wear a helmet. Right then, let's go. Don't know if you can hear it, but that's rattling like crazy. There we go. So 13 mile an hour down a hill. Yeah. 11 up one ish. Okay, it's saying like the battery's nearly dead, but I'm still getting like 10 miles an hour out of it, so I'm just going to keep going, keep going, keep going, see how long it lasts. Okay, so the scooter has officially died on me. It's flashing red, I don't know if you can see that. Just flashing red there. So, now the moment of truth. Let's see what this app says. This could be interesting. Okay, so stop the ride. Interesting. So it's saying map distance 9.5, map average speed, ride time 75 minutes, max speed 17, scooter average miles an hour, 20.8 distance. So basically 10 miles. I think that's a fair and accurate representation. Okay, that was the range test in mode 1. The app saying 9.5 miles. Yeah, I'd give it that. I'd say around 9.5 to 10 miles. Yeah, that's about what I'd expect, to be honest. What you're seeing on online and that. Bit disappointed, yeah, you know, but this is the thing, you know, they do their tests in the best conditions with like the lightest people and all this sort of stuff. So am I ever going to need to go 10 miles on the scooter? Probably not. So I mean, what should I do? Just lose a bit of weight and I should be alright. But no, that was great fun. I was on the scooter for like an hour and 15 minutes. So I mean, if I need to be on the scooter for an hour and 15 minutes, I really shouldn't have a scooter. I should have a car or use a bus or whatever. Will battery technology get better? Probably. Will Boosted do anything with it? Probably. Do I trust the app? Maybe, maybe not. But you know, this is it. So yeah, again, something different for those that ask for it. You know, like I said, I am at the absolute limit of what it should be. So anyone lighter will probably get more range. It was very, very windy. Does that factor into it? Maybe. Who knows? But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More videos to come. Sam's got a new car coming, so that should be interesting. We'll do a reveal for that in the next couple of weeks. More stuff on the Mustang. And we've got some bodywork videos coming up very shortly. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Ta-ra.